The progression event Voices of Change on Rollercoin is in its last few hours. Today on That Techo Guy, I'm going to be showing you what rewards you can potentially earn with this progression event and going into the bit of detail of what it's all about. Stay tuned. Alrighty, so another progression event on Rollercoin and it's soon coming to an end, Voices of Change. On my screen here you can see the game section of Rollercoin and here at the top you can see the banner for Voices of Change. Now, I'm going to go into more details like I usually like to do, and here you can see the remaining time, which is almost 1 day, just under 1 day remaining at the time of recording this video. You can see that the most powerful miner for this event is the Power Patriot at 612 terahash per second. Here you can see that I am currently here at this reward level of 120 terahash for 7 days, and I'll be showing you exactly which level that is on. Here we can see the points as usual. To get to a higher difficulty level in the game, it's 500 points. The difference in this progression event this time is that to spend 1 RLT in the marketplace, it's also 1000 points like it is for spending 1 RLT anywhere except in the marketplace. So you'll equally get 1000 points for this progression event. Okay, so there is not much time remaining, so I'm going to put this video up as soon as possible, but I just wanted to specifically show you that this time when you spend 1 RLT in the marketplace, you're also getting 1000 points, so you can go through those levels quicker as well, and you don't need all that much time to complete it, especially if you are using multipliers for the event. Now, if you haven't checked my video out on multipliers and how you can use those multipliers efficiently and effectively, then you can check that out in the video that is currently floating in the link above my head and also down in the description below this video. I'll leave a link to that as well so you can get cracking with that. Now, I am going to also show you, thanks to Piero, the rewards that you can receive from this progression event as well. So here on my screen we can see the Voices of Change, and these are the levels. There are a total of 20 levels in total, and I am currently at level 8, okay? The temporary bonus of 120 terahash for 7 days. You can get a couple of event passes here as well, 100 EXP event pass. That would be nice. That would be the next level that I get up to, and that will help me get to get through the season pass even faster as well, through those levels even faster. There are a couple of racks with bonuses, 6% rack bonus there as well. And like I mentioned, the Power Patriot is the most powerful miner that you can get in this progression event with a total of 612 terahash, and attached to it is a 3% bonus, okay? Again, further up here at level 15, we've got the Freedom Finder at 520 terahash, okay? That's quite powerful as well, with a 1% bonus attached to it. Further up here, you can also see that we have a 171 terahash miner at level 11 with the Liberty Digger. No bonus, but you do get some good power there as well, okay? So it's quite a good event. It's not a long event. It's 20 levels. The total number of XP points that you actually need to get for this, the last one is just over 2 million there, okay? It's not going to be that easy to go through all that through the points, but you can manage to do it as well, especially with the multipliers on. Yes, I know only a day is remaining, but the main reason I want to make this video as well is to highlight that even in that 1 day, you can actually get even all of these prizes with multipliers that are applied, okay? Now, what I like to always say is this, that when you are going to actually exchange your crypto into RLT, because that's the way you're going to get your multiplier, then it is important to do that when there are discounts for RLT, discounts when exchanging the crypto that you actually are going to exchange. So for example, at the time of recording this video at the moment, if you exchange Bitcoin into RLT, you'll be getting 25% more RLT, okay? Because it's currently a 25% discount, and there's a 15% discount on Solana as well, okay? So if you actually exchange some Bitcoin, then for that Bitcoin, you're going to be getting more RLT. You're technically going to be spending less crypto to do that. So 1 RLT in the case of the Bitcoin 25% discount, all I'm going to need to spend in this case would be 1,929 Satoshi, okay? So there it is right there. If that discount wasn't there, then that would normally be 2,572 Satoshi. So you're going to be spending less of your crypto in order to get the same amount of RLT, which is great as well. And when you're doing that, you're going to be adding some of the multiplier to be able to get those rewards even faster, okay? So that's basically what I wanted to tell you today and what I wanted to show you for this event. The last thing that I am going to show you as well is that you can get a total of 2.8 petahash. If you manage to get all of the miners, you'll be getting 2.8 petahash and a total potential amount of 6% bonus for the miners that you don't already have. Again, if you already have them, you can always merge those miners. Now just remember that if you have not registered to the game yet, then you can do so using the link in the description below this video as well. And if you use my referral link, you'll instantly be getting 1,000 Satoshi when you are starting your Rollercoin journey. So that will help you to start with your first track, for example, and things like that, okay? So the 1,000 Satoshi are going to be there. You can get those 1,000 Satoshi and you can spend part of them as well to actually get some RLT, and that will actually provide you with a bonus as well. So with the 1,000 you'll be getting from me for free, you've almost got, at the time of recording this video with the discount, you've almost got enough to get 1 RLT. It's not going to be exactly enough because you're just going to get 1,000, but you'll need another 929, which you can get either through the game or through depositing in the game as well. And that will contribute to the multiplier and getting some of these rewards even faster in the limited time that is left for this progression event. So I hope that you found this video useful. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so down below. Smash the like button and hit that notification bell to be notified when new videos do come out on my channel. And until next time, take very good care of yourselves, and thanks for watching.